Akiva Segan, his work now numbers in the hundreds, and it lifts up horrific images, sometimes surrounding them with whimsical figures. And I've never seen a work by Akiva that has not made me stop. And my hope is that you will find time this morning to do that as well. Akiva Segan, welcome among us.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I need 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. All right. Here, I'll take the microphone. Go ahead and take this off so you can hear me better. Over the last 4 or so days, I wrote a text which would be like 5 times the length of a traditional op-ed article, which would be like 600 to 700 words. It's like 4,500 words. And I tried reading it aloud yesterday, and I couldn't get into the 3rd page. I've got burning mouth syndrome and dysphagia, which followed pandemic-induced isolation heart attack, and then I was hospitalized a year ago for anemia, and it's like one thing after another. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to read several sections which pertain specifically to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict without end. Then I'm going to tell everyone the titles and years, mention the media of each of the 6 drawings here, and we'll let the art speak for itself, and we'll do a Q&A with that. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, about 6 sentences here. My introduction, I'm going to leave as is. First, I would like to thank everyone attending, and church staffer Susan Blythe Goodman and her spouse David, who's videoing now for me, and my friend of 32 years, Brooke Rolston. Over the years, I've greeted him as Your Grace. The last few years, I've addressed him as my Lord.